flames. Now the throne is wrapped in chains. Echoes cry in freedom's name. His name erased, his story told. A tale of power bought and sold. He fed the beast that took him whole. A king condemned by every soul. Justice wore his darkest crown and brought the tyrant crashing down.